Here's how to create perspective text in CapCut on your phone, as you can see here. Follow these steps carefully for a stunning effect. First, tap on the text, then select Add. This simple step sets the stage for creating dynamic, eye-catching text effects. Type your desired text, as you can see here, and once done, select an animation to bring it to life. Now let's move to the next step. Select an animation for your text by tapping Animation, as you can see here. Then search for the perfect style to make your text stand out beautifully. In the search bar, we type different options. Basically, we can write it like this or that, carefully exploring various styles to find the perfect animation for your text, enhancing its appeal. First, write this specific animation, as you can see here. Such animations can really enhance your text beautifully. We can simply write it without 3D, and these animations, as you can see, provide a similar captivating effect, enhancing your text beautifully. We can write flip too, as it's a cool animation that fits perfectly, enhancing appeal. Perfect for perspective text. Here are some animations that fit just right, as you can see here, enhancing your design. And that's it. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Wishing everyone good luck, take care, and goodbye for now.